The U.S. Supreme Court ruled yesterday that it would allow the Trump administration to resume dismantling the U.S. Department of Education. The court overruled a lower court that temporarily paused massive cuts at the department. Congress created the department by law, and President Trump promised to shut it down. Without any change in that law, which is why opponents sued. Are we going to have to keep the kids home? Guys, what does this mean? What do you think about this message, guys? Comment below.